Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread coffee. First, gather your ingredients: ripe bananas, your favorite coffee, and any spices you enjoy. You'll need about 1/2 cup of mashed banana. Brew your coffee using your preferred method, whether it's a drip machine, French press, or espresso maker. This forms the base of our delicious drink. Next, combine your mashed banana with the freshly brewed coffee in a blender. Add a touch of your preferred sweetener, like maple syrup or brown sugar, to taste. For that authentic banana bread flavor, incorporate spices such as cinnamon, nutmeg, or a dash of vanilla extract. Blend everything until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. Now it's time to enjoy your homemade banana bread coffee. You can serve it warm for a comforting treat, or pour it over ice for a refreshing cold beverage. For an extra special touch, garnish with a dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon. A drizzle of caramel or chocolate syrup also makes a delightful addition. Feel free to customize your banana bread coffee to your liking. Try different coffee roasts, from light to dark, and vary the ripeness of your bananas for different flavor profiles. Adjust the amount of sweetener and spices until it perfectly matches your personal taste preferences. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This allows for endless delicious variations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.